If you're struggling to keep your construction budget under control, you're not alone. Managing finances on a project can be a real challenge, but today we're going to show you exactly how CoConstruct can help you keep that budget tight without compromising on quality or timelines. Stick around till the end, because I've got an exclusive offer you won't want to miss. Now, if you're new to CoConstruct, it's a powerful construction management software designed to simplify your budgeting and project management process. But how does it actually help keep your construction budget under control? Let's break it down. First off, CoConstruct allows you to create detailed and customized budgets right from the start. Unlike spreadsheets or other basic tools, CoConstruct automatically calculates and updates your project costs as things progress. This helps you avoid any surprises as the job moves forward and ensures that every expense is tracked in real time. Next, CoConstruct helps you manage client selections and changes. We all know that change orders can throw off a budget fast, but with CoConstruct, any adjustments to the scope of the project are updated instantly. This means you're always on top of what those changes mean financially. The third thing is its integration with other tools. CoConstruct works with accounting software like QuickBooks, so you can sync financial data easily and get a comprehensive view of your project's finances. This helps you stay ahead of the curve and track costs, profits, and any discrepancies before they get out of hand. The fourth thing is its forecasting feature. CoConstruct helps you predict and forecast costs based on your current project and historical data. This predictive feature helps avoid budget blowouts by giving you a glimpse into what could be coming down the road and enabling you to make adjustments before things get out of control. Another key feature is CoConstruct's ability to create detailed reports. These reports give you a full view of your project's financial health, breaking down costs by category. This transparency allows you to spot any potential cost overruns or areas where you could be more efficient, all in real time. CoConstruct's mobile app also makes it easy to track expenses on the go. Whether you're on-site or in the office, you can keep track of costs and budget changes instantly. This flexibility helps you stay proactive and makes it easier to keep your budget under control, no matter where you are. And here's a huge bonus. CoConstruct helps you communicate effectively with clients, vendors, and your team, all while keeping a clear paper trail of every conversation and change. This level of communication is crucial in maintaining a tight budget and ensuring that all parties are on the same page when it comes to costs. Now, let me remind you, if you want to test out CoConstruct for yourself, you can use it completely free from the first link below. Plus, I've got exclusive bonuses for you, including an extended free trial. Don't miss this opportunity to try out a software that's specifically designed to keep your construction budget under control and streamline your entire project management process. Remember, the more control you have over your budget, the better your construction project will go. Whether it's avoiding surprises or managing change orders, CoConstruct gives you the tools you need to keep your budget in check every step of the way. Be sure to check out the link below for that exclusive offer.